He out here in the kitchen.
In the kitchen, in these streets. This is what I do the most, is make sea moss. Everything else she does.
That's his contribution.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to my channel, That Girl Creates. I hope you guys are staying safe, sane, and hydrated today. I am a conscious creator who believes that your highest self equals your highest creativity. So if you want to see all things health, wellness, and some stuff in between, subscribe to my channel. With that being said, today we are going to be making sea moss gel. Well, not me. I have a special guest. He is a comedian and my partner, Keenan Baker. He usually makes the sea moss gel, I'm not gonna lie, so I wanted to film him doing the process so we all can learn how to make sea moss gel. So he'll show you step by step, like how to prep the sea moss, how to blend it, and where he gets his sea moss gel. But I just wanted to give you guys some background information on sea moss gel. So it is known as Irish sea moss or sea moss, and it has 92 of the 102 essential minerals that we need. So I mean, you need that in your life, let's just say that. But some of the other benefits is that it helps with anemia, which is something that I have struggled with. It helps with digestion, so gut health is good for your body and it helps your systems run better. It's an immunity booster, which is something that we all need during this time. It relieves respiratory problems. It's a source of energy, which is something that, I mean, I'm not a coffee drinker, so this is kind of like my coffee. I put it in my smoothies. I put it in my tea when it was like winter time and now it's too hot for tea, so I just put it in my smoothie. And it's almost like drinking a cup of coffee to me, honestly. And it also helps with your mental health. And I know with all of this going on, that's something that we all definitely need an added benefit of. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna let him take it away in Keenan's corner. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, That Girl Creates, and let's get started.
We're gonna make some sea moss today. We got a little sea moss pack in there and I'll show y'all later. But I let the sea moss soak overnight. I normally just let it soak for like 6 hours, 8 hours, or whatever like that. So you see it's gonna hydrate back up, nice and plump, nice and juicy, because it goes in there super dry. And then what I normally like to do is put a little bit of, because I soak it in spring water, and then I'm gonna throw a little bit of spring water in there first. A little bit. And then cut it up a little bit so it doesn't get caught in the blender. So, you know, change. Just some little cuts here and there. Just so it doesn't get tangled up, that's all. It's a nice big piece.
It's massive.
Yeah, it's massive. I got smacked on camera, y'all.
Stop.
No, she's cool. She don't be hitting me like that.
Like that? What's that black stuff?
It's just sea moss is sometimes discolored. It's just how it is. We let that soak from overnight. It was clean, so we cleaned it out.
And what do you clean it with?
It was, I know we wash it off first in spring water, put a bowl, wash it off first while it's dry, try to get all the stuff out of it. Some salt in there. It shouldn't be super salty if it's real sea moss. And then after that, I let it soak in a different bowl of spring water and lime. So it's like a 2 cleansing process. So there it is. It's up in the blender. We gonna eyeball it out. About how much water.
Let the ancestors speak. I wonder how much to put in.
I be having to add water and stuff like that all the time, and then even pour some out, add some more water. Be thinner than this. We're gonna add some more water to it. As you see, it's to the brim. Out here, it's a lot. It's gonna make probably about a jar and a half or two.
Yeah.
It's gonna make a lot. We go through a lot because we double up. We throw a bunch like in our teas in the morning. We do some at night. So you see the texture of it now is a lot. That's smoother. A lot more gel. And then when it gets cool, it'll gel off even better. So yeah, man.
He out here in the kitchen.
In the kitchen in these streets. This is what I do the most is make sea moss. Everything else she does.
That's his contribution.
Yeah. I think they say you want to about 2 weeks or so should last you. We're gonna probably get
weeks.
Yeah, we're gonna probably get through that. So I mean, I've thrown it in soups on the low. I threw it in some soup before that she probably didn't know. Just dumped a few spoonful, but you can't even tell, man. That's the thing about it. That's what's beauty. When you make the gel, you can't. I mean, I don't taste anything. I got to shave, so get out my face. We quarantined up out in these streets, so I ain't been shaving.
This has been Keenan's Corner.
Keenan's Corner with a K, 2 K. Oh, and I'll tell you the sea moss that we use. I got my sea moss from him, AkeemPierre.com. And I got it from different places. We've gotten sea moss from, there's a place out here called Shades of Africa. They have it. It's out here. And this is Los Angeles. Shades of Africa is in Long Beach. And then Simply Wholesome has some also. That's in Los Angeles. So I try different ones sometimes just to see which ones that I like and which ones I think this gives me the more bang for my buck right now. This has been a lot. This has lasted us for a minute.
Yeah.
And we still got probably like 2 more batches we can make out here, possibly 3. So it doesn't say how much like ounce wise is on here, but it's a lot for the price for sure. But make sure it's always wild crafted. See, St. Lucia. So yeah, man, we out here.
This has been an episode of Keenan's Corner with the delightful sea moss gel. So nice and gooey. Thanks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you feel compelled to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.